What if we told you that a former president of the United States, Donald Trump, is currently embroiled in a series of legal challenges? Intriguing, isn't it? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the intricacies of these cases. Let's rewind to March of 2023. A Manhattan grand jury was considering an indictment against Trump for a pre-election payment to Stormy Daniels. The case brought parallels to that of John Edwards, who was acquitted of campaign finance violations. Trump's defense might argue that the payment aimed to shield his family rather than deceive voters. The crux of the case rested on whether the payment was intended to hide the matter from the public. Michael Cohen's testimony was crucial, yet Trump's allies questioned his credibility. Fast forward to April of the same year, Manhattan prosecutors brought a case against Trump for allegedly falsifying business records to conceal hush money payments related to his 2016 campaign. The charges, initially misdemeanors, were elevated to felonies. This required proof of intent to conceal or further another crime. The case was based on a novel legal theory with potential underlying crimes, including federal campaign finance violations, state election law conspiracies, and New York tax law violations. Legal experts were divided on the strength of the case, with concerns raised about transparency and potential challenges ahead. A week later, Trump's lawyers requested a 1-month delay for the start of a sexual assault and defamation trial brought by E. Jean Carroll. The request was made, citing the need for a cooling-off period following Trump's indictment for falsifying business records related to hush money payments to Stormy Daniels. They expressed concerns about potential jury bias due to media coverage of the criminal charges. Carroll's attorney opposed the delay, arguing that a fair jury could still be impaneled in New York City. The trial, however, is currently scheduled to begin on April 25th. Now, let's bring things up to speed. A New York appeals court denied Trump's request to delay his hush money trial in Manhattan, scheduled for April 15th, citing concerns about venue change and bias. Trump is facing 34 felony counts in relation to this case. To summarize, former President Donald Trump is facing a series of legal challenges related to hush money payments, falsifying business records, and a sexual assault and defamation trial. These cases are complex, intertwining state and federal laws, and have the potential to reach the U.S. Supreme Court. The upcoming trials will undoubtedly keep the legal world and political enthusiasts on their toes as they unfold. This is quite the political and legal saga, isn't it? Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.